Welcome to the page and thank you for checking out this video. My name's Thomas and I'm going to be doing a review video for Influx Reloaded. Make sure that you stay all the way to the end of the video because I'm going to be offering you 3 free bonuses if you choose to purchase from me. And if you get any benefit at all from this video, please subscribe and check out the future videos that I'm going to be putting out. What is Influx Reloaded? It is basically a training course. It has new software that allows affiliate marketers to make money even if prospects don't buy your product. Sounds pretty cool. Let's check out a short video from
If you're still struggling to make money online, then listen up, because I have an important message for you. Most people think that not being able to drive traffic is what's stopping them from being successful. But today, I want to share a brand new concept that is so unique, it'll make your head spin. It's a closely guarded secret by the gurus, and it's called following the path of least resistance. Before I share it with you, let me ask you a question. What is the one thing that's stopping you from succeeding online? Is it traffic? Conversions? Having a good product? How about something a bit more basic? Your customers having to put their hands in their pockets and actually buy something? Yes, it's the resistance to buying something that is the one thing that is stopping most marketers like you from making any money online. Now imagine this. Imagine making money whether your customers buy something or not. Imagine being paid if your customers do nothing but download free products. It's very hard not to make money if all you do is present your customers with amazing offers that cost them nothing and still get you paid whether they buy something or not. Introducing Influx Reloaded. Influx Reloaded is a revolutionary system that shows how we make $100 plus a day by presenting customers with amazing offers that pay commission whether they buy them or not. In the training, we teach you how to drive massive free traffic to these offers, as well as a step-by-step blueprint of how you can benefit from this amazing system, starting today. It only takes a few minutes a day and can be fully outsourced, and the results are immediate. We also have a brand new software that will find the hottest trends you can start monetizing today. This is well and truly a revolutionary shift in the make money online world, because it removes the single one reason that people don't make money, and that is their customers' fear of spending their hard-earned cash. By removing the requirement to part with any money, we've removed the single hurdle stopping people from succeeding online today. Influx Reloaded requires no website, products, social media, videos, advertising, content marketing, or technical skills. It works in 3 simple steps. Find the best free offers. We show you exactly how. Choose which offers to place into the system. Profit. Wait for the money to pour in. We've also included a number of fast action taker bonuses for those of you who want to start today. And we have our customary no quibbles money back guarantee. You have 0 risk with nothing to lose and everything to gain. But you must hurry because the price is going up all the time. If you leave the page now and come back later, you will need to pay more. So don't hesitate. Click the Buy Now button below and we'll see you on the inside.
All right, what do we think here? Let's take just a little bit further now. Let's take a look at the pricing because I know that's important. So the front end pricing $12.95, and then they have some upsells here. So the front end Influx Reloaded, access to new and improved Influx Reloaded training videos, which will teach the buyer how to use Frankie's secret traffic source and make $100 a day without selling any product online. Free and paid versions are covered. We have also included our exclusive Profit Maximizer software, which finds the best selling and trendiest niches for you. The first upgrade we have $27. In this upgrade, we spill the beans and reveal additional methods for buyers to double their profits with the Influx Reloaded system. Over-the-shoulder video training, advanced tips and tricks, list building methods never seen before. The next upgrade. Put your hands on my, for $47, best high converting campaigns. Copy and paste these battle tested campaigns and save your time and increase commissions. Full access to evergreen done for you campaigns. Review video and bonuses to giveaway included. Use them as your own with our rebranding system. My best follow-up sequence to increase engagement and promote additional offers. Step-by-step training, how to get the most out of this so you bank money on autopilot. Push button monetization of the Influx Reloaded system and access to world-class support. All right, we have another upgrade here, $97. How would you like a non-stop flood of autopilot traffic to your pages for life? Our web pages, sales pages, and members area get tons of traffic on a daily basis. Get a chance to access this traffic via our unique rotating system. We send the traffic, you collect the leads and make money. One-time low payment for this lifetime traffic. The next upgrade, $77. This is not a regular license rights, and we limit this to 50 serious marketers only. We are actually letting you steal the funnel Influx Reloaded and sell it as your own. This product has taken months to develop and create, and thousands of dollars have been spent creating all the sales material. Tens of hours spent to create all the videos. Buyers of this upgrade will get access to everything so they can rebrand it and sell it as their own on any platform they wish. Complete digital product for 0.1% of its cost. The next upgrade, $147. Influx Reloaded done with you. Jump on a live call with one of our team members so that we can do all the hard work for you. Customers that are tired of doing it alone will love this upgrade. The next upgrade, $29. Access to some of our recent best-selling digital products with one-time low-cost opportunity. Profits Engine, Piggyback Profits, Capture, Bankroll, Dynamic, The Secret, 7-minute sales machine. So he's going back and he's offering some older products at a much reduced price. So very cool. So let's talk about some of the reasons. Here are 5 reasons why you must, they say, buy Influx Reloaded today. Reason 1. This is the industry's first product showing how to make a consistent $100 a day by getting other people to download a few free products. Reason 2. Influx Reloaded is based entirely on free traffic. Reason 3. It is also entirely newbie friendly, so if you're a newbie. Reason number 4. It is impossible to fail with the system. It's so easy to use, even complete newbies can make money with it. And reason 5. Geographically independent. It can be run from anywhere. So those are your 5 reasons that is listed why you should purchase the product. And I promise you guys, if you stayed all the way to the end of the video, I would show you some free bonuses. So if you decide that you want to get Influx Reloaded from me, click below and get it. And here's what I'm going to throw in, all right? This is some of the stuff that we just went over. Here's the funnel, all the different upgrades. You can decide which one you want. And here we go. So the first free bonus I'm going to throw in, expand the power of Influx Reloaded with a CPA income crusher. I'm going to keep using the power of Influx Reloaded and build upon it. The next one, save money on your Google Ads account to use with Influx Reloaded. So now, as you keep making money, we're going to take you to the next step with Google Ads. If that isn't enough, we've got a third one here for you. Explode your Influx Reloaded purchase with Facebook groups. So now you're going to use Google Ads and you're going to have Facebook groups to be able to build more and more. All right, guys. I appreciate you checking out the video. I hope that you did get some value from it. If you did get some value from it, please click subscribe so that you can check out future videos that we're going to have. And remember, make every day count.